Hello children, today I will be dealing with a very simple topic in English grammar, that is articles. Articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. First we will be dealing with indefinite articles, that is a or an. Both are categorized into indefinite articles. Now indefinite articles, they point out a person or thing in general. That is, for example, if I say a boy, so I'm not talking about I'm not talking about a boy in particular. I'm talking about any boy. Call a boy from class 8. So you can call any boy from class 8. If I say, give me a book, you can give me any book. I'm not talking about any particular book. It can be any book in general. Whereas definite articles, they point out a person or thing in particular. Now, for example, the boy. If I say, call the boy who's wearing the red t-shirt, it means that you have to call the boy who is wearing a red t-shirt. You cannot call the boy who's wearing a yellow t-shirt. So I'm very specific about my choice. If I say, bring me the book that is lying on the table, so it means that I need the book that is lying on the table and not elsewhere. Now indefinite articles are a and an. Definite article is the. Now the pronunciation of the varies with the sound of with the usage of consonant and vowels. Where there is a consonant, you pronounce it as the, like the fan, the cat, the rat, the car. But where there is a vowel, you pronounce it as the, like the elephant, the egg, the eel. Now indefinite article a. Now we use the indefinite article a or a before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Now in articles we will be dealing with sounds, not consonants and vowels, but consonant sound and vowel sound. For example, if I say a man, a union. Now in union you can see I have used you. It is a u. So u is a vowel. Now you'll ask me why I am using a in front of union, which has a u in front of it and u has a vowel. So again I'll repeat my rules. The rules are, we will be going according to the sound. So u has y sound. Y says y, because see there are 44 phonetical sounds and the sound of y is y. So here it is union, y sound is coming. Hence we are using a. Again, European, European, Y sound is coming. So we will be using a. Same with university and unicorn. The sound of U is a, as in umbrella, a, as in urn, a, as in umbrella, a, as in urn. So the sound of U is a and the sound of Y is y. Indefinite article an. Now, we will be using an in front of a word that has a vowel sound, like an ass. It has a sound, ass. A says a. An enemy, enemy, e sound. An honest man. Now, honest has an h in front of o. So h is a consonant, but the h sound is silent, so the o sound is coming. Honest, we don't pronounce it as honest, we pronounce it as honest. So an honest man. An heir, an mla, a sound is coming, so we use an in front of mla. We'll come to definite article the. So when we are talking about a particular person or a particular thing, we use the word the. We use the article the. For example, the gift I received was wonderful. Here I am talking about that particular gift that I have that I have received. So I'm talking about a particular thing. Hence, I use the. We saw a palace in Jaipur. The palace was beautiful. Here I'm not talking about any other palace. Here I'm talking about a particular palace. That is the palace that I had seen in Jaipur. So I am very particular about my choice of words, and hence I'm using the word the. The is also used before a superlative form of adjectives, like we have learned about positive, comparative, superlative form of adjectives like good, better, best. So whenever we are using the superlative form of adjective, we use the word the, or we use the article the. Definite article the again continued when we speak of something that is unique. For example, the sky is filled with clouds, the sun is shining brightly, the stars are many in number, whatever. So we, when we are talking about something that is unique, we use the article the before some proper nouns as well, like the names of river, oceans, deserts, buildings, countries, monuments, newspapers, holy books, trains, etc. Like for example, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Telegraph. The Telegraph is the name of a newspaper. The Ganga, the Taj Mahal, the Sahara Desert, the Shatabdi Express, etc. Hope you understood what I tried to teach you. Thank you.